Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Amrit. So we are back again with our Azure Cloud series with a new topic, that is Azure HTTP trigger. So this is one of the functions that is provided by the Azure, that is HTTP trigger. So if you haven't gone through my previous video of function app, please go through that video. I will add the video link on the I button so that you get the proper knowledge that first you have to create the function app, then inside the function app you can create as many as uh, functions that would be like serverless. You can run and execute them without any any issues. So what is HTTP trigger? So whenever any HTTP requests fires, so that particular function or a trigger will be executed. So we are going to see now. I'm not explaining that how the function app will be created. I'm assuming that you have gone through my previous video, so I directly jump to my to this HTTP trigger function. So when you click on that the function app, on the function app that we have created, so on the left hand side you would see there is a functions. Then you will click on the add button. So as you can clearly see, there is a HTTP trigger, and it's a function that will run whenever it receives an HTTP request, responding based on data in body or a query string, right? So once you click on this HTTP trigger, moving downward, now we need now you can set the authorization level. I am setting for now like anonymous, so that any user having the URL can use this or you can say the execute that function. So the different kind of Azure functions are available. I am just explaining the HTTP trigger for now, like timer trigger, Azure queue storage trigger, service bus queue trigger. So the different kinds of triggers depending upon the functionality are available. So after getting the after creating the after getting the you would say creating the HTTP trigger, you would see there is a button on the right hand side. There is a like get function URL. So in order to test how our HTTP trigger will work, so what I will do, I will just copy the URL. So this will be like the HTTPS colon, this would be our the function name dot azure website dot net. So in order to test, I copy paste my HTTP trigger, this localhost 7071 API slash, this is the Azure function you would say function name. And I am just, in order to execute this HTTP trigger, we need to pass any like query string or a parameter. I have just taken a query string name. I entered the value Techie Amrit, and I hit the function. You will see I get the output hello function as that it is uh, written in the HTTP trigger function. So this is like the simple step. You can just create a HTTP trigger on the portal, and you need to follow these steps. So this is the first you would say the HTTP trigger, and I will create more videos on the more functions that are provided by the Azure function. This is it, guys. Thank you. Keep watching and keep subscribing. Thank you. Bye.